Shit. Well, feeling a little sick, throat, nose. Sometimes it feels better to just kind of sweat some shit out, you know?
Wake up, filthy.
Yeah. We ain't even out in Turks, she finna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to hold hands. Boat was 2 sip, died, he ain't need a bed. Then I did the pint of